Welcome, friends. Today we will show a special yoga art performance, where through yoga exercises we will display the form of art. Here, it's not just exercise, but right before your eyes, vibrant artistic poses will come alive. Friends, first we will prepare the body. We gently warm up the body with simple stretching and breathing exercises. Breathe in, slowly exhale. This is the true beauty of yoga, uniting the body and mind. Now we are slowly releasing the poses and giving the body rest in Shavasana. See how through yoga, not only physical, but also mental peace is achieved. Friends, this is yoga art performance, a unique combination of yoga, art, and discipline. Friends, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.